Hello everyone, welcome back to Purple Rose Crafts. Today we're working on this beautiful granny square bag. It's nice and fun with lots of bright colors, and we use this, oops, I missed an end. Of course I did. We just have lots of squares that we fold over to make this rounded bag pattern. So we're going to start with 13 granny squares. You can use any granny square you like, and then I'll show you how to put everything together. Let's jump in. Alright, so here we are with the finished granny squares. We have slip stitched them all together. You can see I didn't slip stitch quite close enough to some of the, to the other row, and that's my mistake. But you guys can see how I put that together. I used like one piece of yarn from here going all the way across like this, zigzagging my way, and then this way as well, and then attaching these side ones as well. So I showed you just quickly how this all folds together to make the bag. Now here we are. Now I have also added one strap. We're going to add the second one right now. I'm going to show you how to do that. I made one strap here, and I also added the gray border to this side of it. I added my pink here, chained 50, slip stitch, double crochet all the way back, slip stitch again. And then I started down here with the gray, so I went back to the contrasting color I used to attach my granny squares together. I added the gray and went all the way around the inside with single crochets. I'm going to do this outside as well. It is part of the other handle, so we're going to do that when we do this handle. Alright, so let's do that. So I inserted my hook one stitch before a corner. Alright, so one stitch before a corner here, and drew up my loop. Keep my tail nice and long so I don't pull it through. And then I actually threw it through, so this piece of yarn is actually coming through on the right here, and then it comes up, loops over my hook, and then I threw this over top just to kind of anchor it a little bit better. So there, and then we can sort of cinch it down to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Now we need 50 chain stitches. Then we're going to slip stitch to the same spot on the other side here. Right, so now we'll turn it all the way around, and because we went just to the outside here on this one, we'll do it in the exact same spot here. So I'm going to insert from the back, and then catch my yarn like so. All right, and our slip stitch again into the corner, and then we can start working our double crochets. Slip stitch here to the corner, and then we can fasten it off. And get ready to switch to our border color. So now we're going to start here at the V, work our way up and around with single crochets, and then work our way around the outside as well. So we're going to start in one of these V's, work our way around the outside of the handle, down through this V, up around the other side of the handle, and then back to the end where we started, and we'll be all done. Hey there, here we are back with the end of our bag. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you think that you want to see more videos like this, and we will see you over in the next one. Thanks so much for hanging out with us.